Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to open an Etsy shop. So first things first, you need to create an Etsy account. So you can go to any web browser and then type for Etsy. And then this is what it looks like. Now you have to create an account first. You have to create an account using your email, password, or you can just basically connect it to your Google account. So here are the options on how to create an Etsy account. For me, the easiest is just to connect this to my Google account. Once I have the Etsy account, I can now tap my profile and look for sell on Etsy. Now, once you tap this, then you need to get started. So you have to simply just follow everything here. You can read the information and just continue. It will ask you some basic questions on why are you going to create an Etsy account? Do you have your products already? Are you going to sell these products on your Etsy? And so on. So you just have to select or pick your answer here. Tap on next. Where else do you sell? You can select from any of this here. And then once done, then tap on next. Okay, and then you can now proceed and get started with your Etsy shop, but you need to provide or add details, and you have to follow the steps in order for you to create an Etsy shop. So you have your shop language, shop country, shop currency. So you have to answer this, and then for the shop, you have to make sure that you will be using a unique one. Etsy will notify you if this one is not available or this one is available. Once you have added your name or Etsy shop name, then you can proceed with the billing. So you need to finish this in order for you to create a shop. So if you can't finish this one, then it's impossible for you to create an Etsy shop. So here, the next thing to do is how will you get paid? So you have to set up your payment method right here. You can now add your bank account, add information. You need to recheck everything here and be careful with the information. So you need to double check. Once you have added your payment details, your address, and so on, then you can now proceed with the next step, which is the share your billing info. So you just have to provide whatever information needed here. And then once done, then you can now proceed with your shop security. And then once done, tap on continue, and that's it. Now, once you have added and completed the process, then you can now start selling here on your Etsy shop. You can launch your shop, review everything, click open your shop, and congrats, your shop is now live. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.